Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Monday, March 23rd, 2026. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the silver price crash and why it's to your advantage to start stacking right now. But before I get started, I just want to welcome you to my channel if this is your first time. I've been involved in the work from home space for 20 years now, full-time since 2018, and I enjoy helping others generate mailbox money from home using social media and direct mail marketing. So with all that being said, I had somebody reach out to me and ask me if they should sell their silver because it continues to go down. And that's what prompted me to make this video. In my opinion, silver is dropping right now, and for many different reasons. That would be a whole nother video. But right now, this is an investor's dream, okay? This is like a buyer's opportunity right now. All right, smart investors are looking at this and not panicking, and they're seeing, wow, this is, stack more silver. Why wouldn't you want to? So I'm not a silver, expert or anything like that. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own due diligence. But what I'm recommending people doing, unless they absolutely need cash flow and they need to sell their silver for an emergency or something like that, I would be buying silver. That's what I'm doing. I'm buying silver right now. All right, it's hovering right now currently around the $70 mark. And I was actually listening to some silver experts on YouTube last evening, and some are predicting that it could drop down as low as $50 to $40, in between the $40 and $50 range. And so for me, I'm not panicking. A lot of people, they see it going down, they start panic selling, right? They're like, oh, they think they're going to lose all their money. And I don't do that. I leave my emotions right out of it, right? If it goes up, that's awesome. I know I'm making money. If it goes down, I know that I'm going to be buying more silver, and eventually in the future, I'll be making more money. That's how I look at it. I look at stacking silver as a long-term investment, right? I'm not here to buy it today and sell it tomorrow when it goes up. I'm holding this for my future grandchildren, building generational wealth with it, so that someday when I'm not here, my family will be taken care of. So that's why I'm stacking silver. And that's why I don't get my emotions involved with it, and I don't, it doesn't bother me if it's going down or up, because I know historically it's gone up, right? And we were just at $120 an ounce just a couple of months ago. And I have no doubt in my mind that we'll be back there at some point in the near future. And in fact, I think we're going to even surpass that. Okay? But silver's volatile anyway. And then we have certain things going on around the world that are playing a significant role in the reasoning why the price of silver is dropping. Among other things. There's other things involved. I'm just letting this person cross the road. There's other things involved that's making the price go down, but inflation's still real. The dollar bill is still, backed by nothing. So it's always wise to exchange your fiat currency, which is backed by nothing, for something of real value. And silver is real value. It's a tangible asset that you can hold and store away, and, something that has value, something that's recognized all around the world, something that has been used as a currency for thousands and thousands of years, long before the paper dollar was ever invented, okay? So I'm stacking consistently. I'm not letting it bother me. It doesn't matter to me if it's $40, $50, $100. I'm just going to continue to stack it. And I know that, this pullback right now, it's normal. It happens all the time. Like I said, silver's very volatile. And once the market levels out, and things straighten up across the world, then I have no doubt in my mind that silver is going to continue to go up and surpass the all-time high of the $120 mark or whatever. It was right around the $120 mark. So that's what I'm doing. I would not, I mean, like I said, unless you absolutely have to, you need emergency money and you have to sell your silver, you know, I wouldn't sell it. I would keep stacking. And this is just for me, right? I'm not giving advice or anything like that. This is just what I'm doing. But I would recommend just keep stacking it. You know, even if you can buy only one coin a month, keep stacking it. Because at some point in the future, it's going to be multiple triple digits, in my opinion. All right? Just from things that I hear, people that I listen to who are experts in this industry, it will no doubt go back up. And, you know, if something ever happens to our monetary system, or the dollar bill completely collapses, or the power grid goes out and you need something to barter with, it's always nice to have silver on hand, right? Not silver in an ETF on paper, or silver stored in another state in a vault that you don't have access to. But physical silver that you can keep in your home safe, or a safety deposit box at the bank, something that you have access to readily. So that's my recommendation. Again, do your own due diligence. You know, everybody's, you know, everybody has a different story. So you might, you know, some people need to cash their silver in, unfortunately. But if you don't have to, I wouldn't do it, and I would keep stacking. And like I said, if you only stack, you know, only get one coin a month, just get one coin a month. Whatever you can afford, that's not taken away from your bill money, do that. And keep stacking. And I work with a company that allows you to set up an auto wealth delivery, so that every month you can have as much silver as you want delivered to your doorstep on autopilot. And that's what I've been doing. I've been doing this for quite a while now. And you can do the same thing. We'll even give you a free silver bar just for checking out our opportunity and our company. All right, we do have an affiliate side to this, that if you were to share the opportunity, if you wanted to share the opportunity with other people, you can earn commissions. All right, I can't guarantee you'll make any money because it's totally dependent on your work ethic, but it's there. It's an option. People do this, they share it, they make money, and basically I stack free silver now because I share the opportunity with other people, and they get hooked up onto the auto wealth delivery, and they're starting to stack silver, and then I make commissions when they do so. Right? So it's a win-win for everybody. And you can go to freesilverbar.com and check it out. All right, I'll have a link down below this video. So if you have any questions about anything, reach out to me. I'm here to help you out. But don't panic. Just be patient. The price will go back up with silver. And right now, it's a buyer's market, okay? So I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. And with that being said, I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.